today we are going to get on the cable car to Hon Thom. It's about we think about a 30-minute trip over there to a water park. We cannot wait. We've heard so many awesome things about it, and here we go.
Here we go. Kambry's getting her workout in. Carrying in the big water bottle. Show it to us, Kambry. Doing steps with the water jug. We finally got to the cable cars, and it's Saturday. The pro tip here is not to come on the weekend. The weather's finally cooperating. Kambry's been begging us to come, so we're finally here. We're going to get on the cable cars. It's the longest cable car system in the world, and we'll let you know how it goes. Here we go. Kambry, are you excited?
And we're on.
And we're off to the water park.
We just got here off cable cars. It's about a 15-minute gorgeous ride. They have a wooden roller coaster, countless water slides. They've got a wave pool. We're going to try to do it all, and we're going to count them down as we go. I know everybody says how hot it is in Southeast Asia, but we're built and made from the South, United States, so this feels like heaven compared to what we've lived through. Right, Daddy? At least for now.
100%. It's not as hot as it is in where we're from.
I mean, at least right now. I know we'll be eating these words soon, but for right now, it feels pretty good to us.
All right, disappointment number one. The wooden roller coaster we've been looking forward to this whole time is going to be closed all day. So one,
Closed. So since number one, the roller coaster, the warm-up, is closed, we're diving right into the drop tower. Here we go. Tell me how you feel about the drop tower, Kambry.
It's okay. Well, we haven't been on it, but
So, ride number two, down. We discovered it's not a tower of terror. It's a tower of not terror. It's just a panoramic view, a slow up and down to see the park, and the line is super long, so we are moving on to the next thing.
water park.
To the water park. That's the tower of non-terror. I'm here today with the two I call dazed, the other one's confused. Some days I don't know which is which. What do you need to find? I thought you had it in your backpack, Dora. I think we found it.
I think it's on.
Thank goodness we don't have to go find the other spot we were at. So we just did rides number 3 and 4, which I did 3 and 4, but it's 3 and 4, right?
It was awesome.
Awesome. Water slides. Kambry is a little bit traumatized.
Not so much. There's nothing to it.
Nothing.
to it.
She hit her butt. I had to go backwards, but it was great. It was a fun inner tube slide that
Loved
we
it.
went on. We had a great time.
Never been to the Great Woods Lodge. It's basically the same thing.
I wouldn't know. She's crying because she hit her butt, not because of scooter. But everybody was laughing. It was a good time. Fun time, guys.
Once I was afraid, I was petrified. Didn't know if I could go down that big water slide. But we made it, and guess what? Kambry didn't die. We survived.
We
We
all-
survived. Hey, hey, hey.
Cute. Didn't wait. Already had a bite. Who's riding the flow rider? Who's gonna do the best? Alright. So we're at the flow rider. It's actually gonna be ride number, I don't know. A lot of things are closed today. The Kambry and Mark are gonna do this one. I'm gonna sit this one out because of my hamstring, but they're gonna have a ball. And I can't wait to see it. Bro is back. Get up on your knees when you're ready. Yeah, right now. Yeah. Yeah, box surf. It's on your body. Okay, okay.
Get on your knees.
Yeah. Try it. Good job.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this tragic.
We just got off the cable cars, and I'm glad to be off because somebody was like packing up the line on there. It was a nice ride. The cable cars are nice. I can't stand it when people are coughing, sneezing, stuff like that. It drives me nuts. I'm a germaphobe.
We're all tired.
Yeah.
So when we get home, we're gonna take a nap. Three of us. Have some quiet time.
Have some quiet time, and we get to go to the Kissing Bridge tonight. Oh, she's squirrel.